While Dr. Joe Dispenza has written several major bestsellers on changing your mind and reality, most notably Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself and You Are the Placebo, his core message across all his work focuses on a powerful concept: how to reprogram your brain. I have created a deeply detailed, highly comprehensive masterclass guide for you. This guide breaks down his entire philosophy into his 10 most important lessons. Each lesson explains how your brain works, why you get stuck, and the exact steps to rewrite your mental programming. Lesson 1. Your mind creates your reality, the loop. The most important thing to understand is that your brain is like a supercomputer and your thoughts are the software. Most people wake up every morning and immediately think about their problems. Those problems are connected to memories from the past. The moment you think about your past, you trigger the exact same emotions you felt back then. Here is how the loop works. 1. Your thoughts trigger a chemical reaction in your brain. 2. Your brain signals your body to feel a certain way: sad, stressed, excited. 3. Your body feels the emotion, and because you feel that way, you think more thoughts that match that feeling. If you think the same thoughts every day, you will make the same choices. Those choices lead to the same behaviors, which create the same experiences, which produce the same emotions. This loop creates your personal reality. If you want to change your life, you have to break this loop and change your thoughts first. Lesson 2. Crossing the river of change. Changing your life feels incredibly uncomfortable, and Dr. Joe calls this transition crossing the river of change. When you decide to stop complaining, stop feeling like a victim, or stop procrastinating, your brain stops firing its usual chemical signals. Your body has become addicted to those old emotional chemicals, like stress or worry. When you cut off the supply, your body panics. It sends a message to your brain saying, "Hey, we feel weird. Go back to being sad, because at least that felt familiar and safe." This is the exact moment most people give up. They mistake the discomfort of change for a sign that they are doing something wrong. In reality, that discomfort means your old self is dying. To successfully cross the river, you have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable and realize that the unfamiliar feeling is the feeling of freedom. Lesson 3. Breaking the habit of being yourself. By the time you are 35 years old, about 95% of who you are is a set of memorized behaviors, emotional reactions, habits, and beliefs. You are essentially operating on autopilot. Think about it. You brush your teeth the same way, put your pants on the same way, take the same route to school or work, and react to your parents or friends the exact same way. You have memorized a personality, and that personality is running your life. To program a new brain, you have to become aware of your unconscious thoughts and habits. You have to observe yourself so closely that you catch yourself before you slip into your old ways. You must ask yourself, am I choosing this action because I truly want to, or am I just acting out an old habit? You have to unlearn the old you before you can learn the new you. Lesson 4. Surviving versus creating stress chemicals. Your brain has two main modes of operating: survival mode and creation mode. Survival mode. When you are stressed, anxious, or angry, your brain triggers the fight or flight response. Your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. This is great if a bear is chasing you. However, if you are stressed all day about social media, money, or grades, your body stays in survival mode permanently. This drains your energy and makes your brain highly disorganized. Creation mode. When you lower your stress, your brain switches to creation mode. Your heart rate stabilizes, your brainwaves slow down, and your body starts to heal. You cannot create a bright, beautiful future if you are constantly using all your energy just to survive the present. To reprogram your brain, you have to learn how to turn off the stress response. Lesson 5. The power of mental rehearsal. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a real-world experience and an experience you imagine very vividly in your mind. Scientists have done studies where they split people into two groups. Group A physically practiced a piano scale on a keyboard for 2 hours a day. Group B sat in a room and only imagined playing the piano scale for 2 hours a day. They never touched a real keyboard. After a few weeks, the brains of the people who only imagined playing changed in the exact same way as the brains of the people who actually practiced. This is called mental rehearsal. If you close your eyes every day and vividly imagine your future, how you will behave, how confident you will be, how you will handle tough situations, your brain will physically change its wiring. It will look like the event has already happened, giving you a massive head start in reality. Lesson 6. Combining intent and emotion. Many people try to manifest a better life by just thinking about it. They say, I want to be rich, or I want to be confident, but inside, they still feel poor, worried, or insecure. Dr. Joe explains that thoughts alone are not enough. You need two ingredients to change your brain and genetic expression. A clear intention is knowing exactly what you want your future to look like. An elevated emotion means feeling the gratitude, joy, and excitement of that future before it actually happens. When you combine a clear thought with a powerful, positive feeling, you change your energy signature. You signal your body chemically to feel successful, which actually changes how your cells and brain function. Lesson 7. The heart-brain connection. Your brain isn't the only organ in charge of your life. Your heart plays a massive role too. When you feel negative emotions like frustration, anger, or jealousy, your heart beats in a chaotic, messy pattern. This sends chaotic signals to your brain, making it impossible to think clearly. When you intentionally practice positive feelings like gratitude, appreciation, and kindness, your heart enters a state called coherence. This means its rhythm becomes perfectly smooth, steady, and balanced. When your heart is coherent, it sends a powerful wave of energy up into your brain. Your brain opens up, becomes highly organized, and enters a state where it can easily drop old traumatic memories and build new, healthy habits. Lesson 8. Meditating to access the subconscious. Your conscious mind, the part of you that is awake and thinking right now, only makes up about 5% of your brain. The other 95% is your subconscious mind, the deep operating system where all your old habits, fears, and automatic programming live. You cannot reprogram your brain from the conscious level because the analytical mind acts like a security guard blocking the door to the subconscious. To bypass the security guard, you have to slow down your brain waves through meditation. When you sit still, close your eyes, and focus on nothing but space and breathing, your brain waves shift from high-stress waves, beta, to relaxed, open waves, alpha and theta. In this relaxed state, the door to the subconscious computer opens wide, allowing you to easily type in new commands and delete old, negative software. Lesson 9. Becoming nobody, no one, no thing. When you sit down to meditate and reprogram your mind, you have to let go of your identity entirely. Dr. Joe calls this moving from somebody to nobody. As long as you are thinking about your name, your age, your gender, your job, your relationship problems, and your schedule for the day, you are tied to your old reality. You are stuck in the physical world. To tap into the true power of your brain, you must disconnect from everything physical. You must become nobody. Forget about your physical appearance or pains. No one. Forget about your social status or roles. No thing. Forget about your phone, your car, or your house. Nowhere. Forget about where you are sitting. No time. Forget about the past or the future. When you become pure awareness in a field of infinite possibilities, you enter this sweet spot where rapid, magical changes in your brain wiring can happen overnight. Lesson 10. Living in gratitude before the event. The ultimate lesson of Dr. Joe Dispenza's work is a complete reversal of how most people live their lives. Most people wait for something good to happen to feel happy. They think, when I get that money, I'll feel abundant. Or, when I find a partner, I'll feel loved. That is living in cause and effect. Reprogramming your brain requires you to feel the emotion before the experience happens. Gratitude is the ultimate state of receiving. When you say thank you, it means an event has already happened or is happening right now. If you can wake up every day and genuinely feel deep gratitude for a successful, happy, healthy life, even if your current circumstances look messy, your brain and body will believe that beautiful future is already your reality. You will naturally start making choices that align with that future, drawing your dreams directly to you. Summary checklist for daily life. Morning, wake up and do not touch your phone. Spend 10 minutes mentally rehearsing who you want to be today. Daytime, catch yourself when you start feeling stressed or complaining. Stop, breathe, and reset your emotional state. Evening, practice 5 minutes of pure gratitude for your future goals to wire them into your subconscious before you sleep. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this.